Hi boys and girls, I'm Miss Moran and this is your math lesson. Today we're going to be learning about 3D shapes. We're going to learn the name of these 3D shapes, how many faces does each shape have, how many vertices, and what things in real life look like that 3D shape. Okay, we're going to learn about that all week. The importance of this is we need to learn how to identify 3D shapes because everything around us has shapes, right? It's either 2D shapes or 3D shapes, so it's important for us to be able to identify it and call it by its name. Alright, so let's get started. So this week we're going to learn about the 3D shapes and we're going to fill out this paper like we did for the 2D shapes. We're going to identify its name, the shape name, how many faces does it have, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a minute. How many vertices does the 3D shape have, and what things around us, what things in real life look like that shape. Alright? So with the shape we're going to start out with today is the sphere. Sphere. This is how you write sphere. Okay? And this is what a sphere looks like. It looks kind of like a ball, right? So this is the way I draw a sphere. I just do a circle. And then I draw like a line in the middle. Solid line. And then I draw a broken line on the back. Okay? Faces are, so that's the drawing of the sphere. So now we're going to talk about faces. Faces are like flat surfaces, like flat meaning that you can put it down and it doesn't roll around. It stays there. And obviously if we put the sphere, it doesn't stay there because it doesn't have any faces. It doesn't stay in one place. It keeps rolling and rolling because it's round, right? So faces is 0. Vertices are where the sides meet or the corners. And as we can see here, there are no vertices. So the sphere has 0 vertices. Okay, so now we're going to do real life objects that look like a sphere. And like I showed you right now, the sphere kind of looks like a ball, right? So I'm going to draw a baseball. So that's a baseball. And it looks like a sphere. The next shape I would like to talk about is the cube. Okay, cube. And this is a cube. Right? And so this is the way I draw a cube. I draw a square, and then to one side, like around here, I draw another square, and then I just join them by the corners. And that makes a cube. Alright? A cube does have faces because it does stay in one place like that. It stays flat, and so it has several faces actually, and those faces look like a square, right? So let's count them. When we count in the faces, we have to count the ones all around and then the ones on the sides or tops and bottoms too. So this is how I'm going to count it. So this is 1, the one on top, the one on the bottom, 2, this side 3, this side 4, this side 5, and then this side 6. So it has 6 faces. The vertices are the corners or where the sides meet, and this one does have vertices. And you have to count the ones on top and then the ones on the bottom. So let's count them together. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to turn it 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So vertices are, the cube has 8 vertices, alright? And things in real life, well, the cube kind of looks like a box, so a box could be a cube. But I think I'm going to draw a nice cube. So a nice cube, I'm going to draw it like I drew the cube. I'm going to do 2 squares and then join them at the corners, and then maybe this ice cube is melting. Okay, so that's my ice cube. The next shape I'm going to talk about is the cone. And guess why it's called a cone? Let me look for it over here. It looks like this. So it's called a cone because it kind of looks like an ice cream cone, right? And if you look at it, this side kind of looks like a triangle. And then over here, this looks like a circle. So that's kind of like how I draw it. I do kind of like a triangle, like that for the top. But then on the bottom, I do like a circle. Alright? So we're going to look for the faces. And the cone on this side, it does roll around, but it does have one face. it's going to be this one shaped like a circle because you can lay it down like this, right? So it does have one face that looks like a circle, right? Kind of. It has one face. Vertices, it doesn't have any because there's no sides that meet at a corner. So vertices is going to be 0. And something that looks like a cone in real life, like I told you before, will be an ice cream cone, right? So I'm going to draw an ice cream cone right here. All right. So our last shape is called a cylinder. This is what a cylinder looks like. Okay, so in cylinder, you write it like this, cylinder. And so if you look at the cylinder, it has like the top looks like a circle and the bottom kind of looks like a circle. And the side is kind of rectangular, right? So that's how I draw it. I draw a circle on the top and then like a rectangle and then another circle on the bottom. That's a cylinder. And so the cylinder does have an area, a surface that is curved or that it rolls around, but then it has some faces too, 2 sides where it could actually stay flat and not move, right? So it's this face and this face. So one on the top and one on the bottom, and the shape looks like a circle, right? So we have 2 faces. And so since the sides are round and there's really no vertices to this one either, the vertices are 0. Okay? And one thing that looks like a real life cylinder shape will be something like a can. It could be like a soda can or a can of soup, a can of vegetables, right? So I'm going to draw like a soda can, like a Coca-Cola can, a Coke can. So I'm going to write Coke and then the little part where you can take a sip from it. Okay? So those are the 3D shapes we're going to be learning this week. Okay, so I took a quick picture so that you can see it all, because earlier you couldn't see it all the way. So the shapes we learned about today is the sphere. We learned that it has 0 faces and 0 vertices, and a baseball looks like a sphere. We learned about the cube, that it has 6 faces that are shaped like a square, that there are 8 vertices, and that an ice cube looks like a cube. And we also learned about the cone, that it has 1 face that is shaped like a circle, that it has 0 vertices, and that the ice cream cone looks like a cone. And then we talked about the cylinder, and we saw that it does have 2 faces that are shaped like a circle as well, and that it has no vertices. And we learned that a soda can or a vegetable can looks like a cylinder. Okay? So now I'm going to tell you what your homework will be for today. Okay, so for your homework, I want you to look for 2 3D shapes in your house. Real life things that look like 3D shapes. Let me bring some stuff out so I can give you examples. Okay, so here are the 2 shapes that I chose. I got this ball, sorry. That looks like a what? This ball looks like a sphere. So in the video, you can be like, I have a ball that looks like a sphere. And I also got a can of vegetables, and this one looks like a cylinder. So pick 2 3D shapes and make a video and show us what it looks, what real life thing looks like that 3D shape. And if you're at school, we're gonna have to look around the classroom and find at least 2 things that look like a 3D shape. All right. I hope you enjoy your homework, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.